Shalex YouTube channel. This is my first time and I'm going to show you how to assemble Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Magnum Japan. So I'll show you part by part how to assemble. I'll go through very slowly because this is my first time, so hopefully you all be patient throughout the video with me. To assemble this mini Tamiya car is not easy, it's a very tedious job, so please go through the instruction guide many times as possible before you start if you are first timer like me. This is my practice. I did a practice on another Tamiya car before I start on the new one for y'all. They have split to 3-4 package, motor and the shaft and the body parts. So this is the body part package which has the wheels and the guard and also the tire and the other small little tiny bearings. So first off you have to fix the tire and the wheels together. So please tear everything piece by piece. It's all together, so just remove one by one and split and keep for you. It makes you much easier and faster to do. So the second package, the small package, is the motor. So well been kept inside a plastic. So let's remove that and keep aside first. So then let me show you how to fix the tire. So please remove all the tire and also the disc wheel. So now you take the wheels and the offset tires and fix it together like this. Make sure it's tight. Once you're done with the tire, just keep it aside. Now we'll focus on the motor first. So there's another small package. This package has shaft and battery terminal and switch terminal. So we have to fix the battery terminal. There's two parts of it, battery terminal to the motor. So let me show you how to fix the motor first. So to fix the motor, on the body parts itself, this part here, they have one small clip actually for the motor part. So you have to fix it to the motor. So let me remove from it. So you have to look at it. See, this is the part I mentioned to you to put the battery terminal on, to fix it on that like this. Make sure there's a clip sound. This must have a small tick sound. That means it's properly fixed inside the part. So just fix the both battery terminal inside like this. Then you take this part and put it on the motor itself. So before I fix the battery terminal, let me just remove this another last package. This one has the grease and the gear and other small bearings inside it. So just to make sure that I can grease the battery once I fix the gear on it. This is a very important package because there's many types of gear inside it, and they have the shaft rod for the tires. So and the grease, we really need grease for car if you want to assemble car. If not, it will not move well. And they have many types of small tiny screws, and you can see they have many type of different gears. So let's fix the motor. So take the small BT pinion gear. You can see it's pink color, very small gear, and fix the top on the top of the motor rod. And then after that you take the battery terminal and put it into the motor from the downwards to the top. So you can see the pinion up. Now we take the long shaft that is the as two yellow gears, and fix it to the down part of the body part of the car like this. Make sure it sits inside very well. Then we take the crown gear, pink color one, and fix it to the side of the yellow gear. Can you see, like this? Then we take the wheels, which I already put the rod inside into the wheels. I just stick into it nicely. And also there's a bearing before I put the rod, very small black color bearing, you can see. Then fix it into the body part like this, into the, make sure it goes through the pink gear. And take another wheel and place it to another side of it. So it must be steady like this. Then we take this another gear. This is called a spur gear, I guess, green color, and place it up here. It's quite big, the gear. So place it the top part of it, and take another pink color crown gear and fix it by another side opposite of it. So both gears like this. In between is the shaft. Then take the tire rod and pierce through it like this. So you must poke both of it together, and at the same time you must come through both of the gears. And then the black bearing. So I already fixed it earlier itself, the black bearing. So then fix the tire now. So this is how it should look like, the inner part of it, the first starting. Everything must be greased here, all the gears. Then we take the motor and place it very nicely, gently on the back part like this, near the two green and the pink gear there. Can you see? There's a slot for it. Then we take this counter gear and take the small rod. They have give you a small steel rod that you have to fix into this counter gear, this black gear, like this. And then place it the top part. There's a part which they have curved for you nicely. You have to place it through like this. So the rod must be touching the motor properly. So they must move all together. The three gears will move all together when you on the car. Once done, we cover the motor. This is the cover for the motor. So what we do is, you should place the cover of the motor like this. So once you place this cover motor on the counter gear, you have to place it. It will clip the counter gear properly, so the counter gear will not move once the car is on. So there must have a small sound, clip sound, tick like that. That means it's properly been placed. So be very gentle. You don't want to break the gear or the cover. So once done, this is another part for the motor. So just place it like this on top of the motor. Place it down. So this is how it should look. So the motor part is actually done. This is the on and off button. So this is the one, the arrow one. So you can see the circle down the part, the body part. You have to place it down before you can put the switch terminal. So make sure you place it properly to on and off. Then you take the switch terminal. Then there's a small part they have done there that you have to actually put it into the small tiny hole so that it will sit well like this. If you fix the switch terminal wrong side, when you on and off, you can't on and off, will be on only, or you'll be totally off. So you have to place it properly, nicely. Please read through the guide if you're not sure. So now I'm going to take the cover for the switch terminal. This is the cover to cover the part for the on and off button. So to hold from the wheel, to hold the wheel and to hold the shaft. So you see, this also have a tiny, very low tone of noise of click, so you have to have the click there, that means it's set well. So once that done, that means you can place your battery. Please check which is the minus side and the plus side. One should be minus, one must be facing the plus. So please use a very high quality battery, if not the car will be not fast as it is supposed to be. And then screw it up. There's a small screw, so you have to screw the motor, that part. So once that's done, then you can take the clip to clip the battery, so the battery will not move. It's a AA battery. You need 2 AA battery for this car. So once that's done, then you can take the top body. So the chassis part is done. So this is the part, the top cover of the Mini 4-wheel drive. I already stick all the stickers. Took quite a time because it's very thin and very small, so it took me about 5 minutes to 10 minutes to take and stick everything properly. So before you cover this part, I'm showing you that you have to fix the guards, the 4 side of guards, and then also the back part. So just very simple, just push it in. When fixing the guards, the 4 side of guards, the wheel guards, I did not record the video. So this is how it looks like before sticking the sticker, the top part, and this is after. Once I'm done, so you can see there's few stickers, so you have to stick properly, if not the car will look a bit messy. This is the best part, starting the car. Let's see. Quite good, quite fast. Hits with the bumper, it can take the turn. It's good enough to put on the racetrack for short period. Hope I did a good guide on how to assemble this Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive. See you all soon on another video of mine. Special thanks to Japan for creating this mini car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Sayonara.